was the mail.
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be disassembling the rear door for the trailer. That's what we're gonna be doing, and we're gonna start working on the new door that is gonna be like a canopy door. So the idea here is I'll be trying to reuse this material because remember this one was a ramp, pretty heavy. What I want to do is replace it for something lighter. So as you can see here, this trailer, it wasn't built, in a really good way. Look at this part here. It's pretty heavy, like I said. They put a lot of steel here. But in any case, that's part of the reason, because I want to redo this frame completely new. In a lighter way, because I'm gonna use this one like a canopy. So alright, this is what I'm gonna do for this new frame. I'm gonna be doing 45 angle degrees here, and for that we're gonna rotate the saw. Just to that point, this here is in 45, and then we're gonna tie the position there. In that way, we're gonna have a 45 angle degree. Well, now I'm gonna move it to the other side just to make the cut of the other corner in the opposite way. As you can see here, look at the corners. The cuts are pretty clear. Look at this cut here in 45 angle degree. Well, now let's go and make a test just to see if the new door fit here.
on the top, the wood is made.
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it?